Okay, dengar.
Hello.
Hello.
Do you have a booking?
Yes.
Yes.
No.
No, okay, sekali. Ulang balik. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Did you make?
Do you make a booking?
No.
I'm sorry. You cannot get on the bus.
Kuat sikit, orang tak dengar. Dengar ingat kena kuat suara sebab enjin bas kita bising dan juga jalan raya pun bising. Jadi kalau kita tak kuat suara, takut orang tak dengar Okey, kuat suara. Bruce Lee, kuat suara. I am sorry. Kuat lagi.
I am sorry. You cannot get on the bus without booking. Please call our center.
What is the number?
Yang ke nombor. Number.
The number is 1300227387.
Okey, ulang balik kali ni yes pula ya.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. Do you...
Did.
Aduh, tak nampak mata.
Aku dah tulis besar tu.
Do you make a booking?
Did you?
Do you make a booking?
Yes.
Yes.
I have a booking. Yes, I have a booking. Kata.
Yes, I have a booking.
Please get on the bus.
Huh? Get down the bus. Get down, turun.
Get out.
On.
Get on.
Get on the bus. Ya, ulang.
Please get on the bus.
Ulang balik lah. Yang kedua tu yes Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
No.
Tunggulah yes. Dia tak tanya lagi.